Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to send an email in Gmail quickly and easily, perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a refresher. First, open Gmail on your browser or app. Sign in using your Google email and password. Next, once you're in, look to the top left and click the Compose button. This opens a new message window. After that, add your recipients. Type their email addresses in the To field. If you want to copy others, use CC. For hidden recipients, use BCC. Now, write a subject line, something short and clear that tells them what your email is about. To complete your message, type in the body of the email. You can format it using bold, italics, or bullet points. If needed, click the paperclip icon to attach files. Once everything looks good, click Send at the bottom. Your email is now on its way. And that's it. You've just sent an email using Gmail in a few simple steps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.